Welcome back to Essential Grammar Words. Today we're learning how to use about in English. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand all the common uses of about and how to use them in speaking and writing. And before we start, if this helps your English, subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Part 1. Talking about a topic. About is used to talk about a topic. Examples: I'm reading a book about space. This article is about cooking. You can also ask, what's your favorite movie about? The lecture is about history. Tip: about comes before the topic you want to discuss. Part 2. Approximately. Numbers. About can mean approximately. Examples: there are about 50 people in the class. I need about 3 hours to finish this. This is useful in conversation to avoid being too exact. Part 3. Concerning, regarding. About can also mean concerning or regarding. Examples: I'm worried about the exam. He asked me about your plans. Notice, after adjectives. About often shows feelings. She's happy about her results. I'm nervous about the interview. Part 4. Phrasal verbs with about. Some phrasal verbs include about. Go about to begin or handle something. Come about to happen or occur. Bring about to cause something. Examples: he went about his work quietly. What brought about this change? Knowing these makes your English sound natural. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're interested in IELTS and want to improve step by step, please check out my Gumroad link in the video description. I've made practical materials that you can actually use for your study. And if this video helped you even a little, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is my next goal, and your support really helps me keep creating free lessons like this. Subscribes and likes are what keep this channel going. They're the reason I can keep making more helpful English videos for you. If you want to watch more lessons right now, click one of the videos on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.